I'm working on my tomato plants, which I don't normally prune them, except for I'm getting rid of the lower limbs and any damaged limbs now, or branches. Now, when you start seeing the leaves curl like this will not recover from that being curled. So what I'll do is I'll just pinch it off. That way it doesn't stress the plant. And I'll take and remove any other limbs that's damaged. Now you can see how this one is kind of starting to get spotty and such. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. The pruning is going to make this plant want to go better, and you can just take your scissors and just clip these loose. You don't have to have any pruners because they're so tender of a plant. But I'm going to look and I'm going to take off all those lower limbs that have problems, and any that's going to touch the ground. What I'm doing is I'm preparing them right now for more growth, and I'm pulling them up in the baskets. And also, I'm going to, the ones that I have staked, I'm going to tie them off. This is just some natural jute. You could pick this up Hobby Lobby or anywhere. They do make a plastic plant tying tape, and I have some somewhere, but realize if you use the plastic tape, you're going to have to pick up all the pieces at the end of the year, because it takes it a long time to degrade. So if you use some type of string, and I'll show you how to do that here in a little bit. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm just kind of training these over to the stakes. I'm taking off all the diseased leaves, anything that's starting to yellow. It doesn't matter if they're higher up, you need to get rid of these diseased leaves so that the plant doesn't suffer from it. And once you get them high enough from the ground, you won't have to worry about the splash from the water and stuff affecting it. But basically you're just going to pull it on over where it's going to be close to your stake, and then you're going to tie it off at that point. Okay, I have all the tomatoes mulched and tied, so it'll just be a process every couple days, seeing how much they've grown, and take and tie them up as they gain height and bush out. Now I think I'll go ahead and mulch my peppers too. That'll cut down on any weeds around them, and cut down on the amount of water that they need. As always, if you like this video, just hit like. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell button. You'll be notified whenever a new one comes out.